Otoma uriane tena itolo shopacho moroto engare no konguno Karamoja ka Turkana kesda itutu boto ai wadika kin president Yoweri Museveni e balwa loda ilipto torkese bo chama kina Turkana bongunu ne Karamoja ideta kauntosi no akarona president Museveni arukoram Turkana bongori Kenya ebelu kesda chukete ruru aneo Karamoja.
Leaders from Turkana County with the tacit support from leaders in Karamoja region do formally write and forward a comprehensive petition to His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni, President of Turkana, in which they will make an appeal to His Excellency the President to review the executive order number 3 of 2023 with a view to amend it in favor of both Turkana and Karamoja communities. 2. The leaders agree that the petition to His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni will include their pleas to His Excellency the President to review cases of those Turkana and Karamoja others who were arrested and jailed in Uganda with a view to granting them pardon in exercise of his presidential prerogative of mercy. Number 3, issues of security as mandated by the Constitution of Kenya are the preserve of the national government authorities in Kenya. The leaders noted that the investigations are currently ongoing and the Kenyan authorities are committed to ensuring those criminals that kill Uganda nationals are brought to justice, however long it may take.
Idengare no kolo Turkana kesda isumu ntosa itacha itoni geologists luaponi oyara kinai Moroto district okarulo iluku mniare kida Kaisara Luyare.
It was proposed that compensation can be done by way of cattle to be given to the families of the 5 Ugandans that were killed by Turkana others. This was considered as a viable and acceptable way of restoring the relations of the communities and the two countries. The Turkana leaders proposed that the Turkana community is ready to mobilize 250 heads of cattle for purposes of compensation to the families of those affected. Through this compensation, the Turkana community is showing remorse and a desire to restore good relations and mutual and peaceful existence between the communities in the two countries.
Idopone kalom mtosengare no kebe ebunida Ateker na Karamoja kangi no Turkana arautene gogongo no ido puchonoro.
The good relations between the Turkana and the people of Karamoja and the people of G specifically. I have letters in my home that are written by travelers asking me to allow them to come and have a dialogue. And I said, but my hands are tied under the executive order.
However, the focus on the last 2 pages dealing with our relationship. And Your Excellency and Uganda and Kenya, I am so excited with the detailed response of the governor and his team with regard to the issues that are mentioned by the Excellency of the President. And I think that's what we are going to communicate in, and we are in the communique those issues have been captured.
I want really to make an appeal here through the leadership of the people of the Karamoja region in Uganda, as people of Turkana, make an appeal to them to really try to help us on how best we can handle this particular matter of either compensating or allowing the agencies, the security agencies in Kenya to do investigation on who really killed the geologist.
Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Karamoja.